Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be showing you a very healthy beetroot carpaccio salad. This is very simple to prepare at home. All that we need to do is wash the beetroot thoroughly and boil it in water. That's all. Don't peel it. Don't do anything with this. Just boil it in water. Once it's boiled, remove it from the boiling water. Drain it. Allow it to cool down. Then peel it. Set it aside. Let it cool down completely. You can also place it inside the fridge and allow it to cool down completely. Once the beets have cooled down, that's when you can start slicing it. You can use a chip slicer and slice it, or you can do it the way I am doing it. Use a very sharp knife and slice the beetroot into thin slices. Once you've sliced your beetroot, reserve it. We'll start preparing the dressing. Now in a small bowl, I've reserved some olive oil. To the olive oil, I'll be adding grated garlic, salt, lime, and pepper powder. This is a very simple dressing. You can use this dressing for many dishes, many salad dishes. Now, once the dressing is ready, reserve it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog post is posted. My blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now the beetroot, once it's sliced, I've started to assemble it on a serving plate. Now once I've layered the serving plate with the beetroot slices, I'll top the beetroot slices with the dressing. And you also need to roast your almonds or walnuts ahead of time. Now once I've topped the salad with some dressing, I'll top it with the roasted almonds and walnuts. We'll crumble and add feta cheese. Now one thing I would like to tell over here is, don't add salt to your beetroots when it's cooking, and don't add too much of salt in the dressing, because your feta cheese already contains a lot of salt in it. It becomes very salty. So once you've topped your salad with the feta cheese, you can garnish it with some rocket leaves. That's up to you. Or you can serve it as it is. You can also use basil leaves on top of it. This is a fantastic salad. Do give this recipe a try. All the ingredients, my blog link and social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. We thoroughly enjoyed this beetroot carpaccio. I hope all of you try this at home and post your comments. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.